Is it safe to eat this cheese right now? Because it depends on who you ask. There's a whole battle brewing between the FDA and the maker of this raw cheddar cheese, and it has to do with an E. coli outbreak. So the FDA says there have been 7 reports of people getting sick from E. coli, and they interviewed 3 of those people who have all said that they have eaten this cheese. Now, the median age here is pretty young, like 3-year-olds. So the FDA went to the farm and asked them to issue a voluntary recall, and the farm said, no, we're not going to do that. And they also cite the fact that they have tested some of these products and have found no E. coli in them. So here's what the farm is saying.
Absolutely no. We disagree. Based on the evidence, based on the facts that we've reviewed since Friday when we heard about this, no, we disagree. That is why, for the first time in our company history, we declined a voluntary recall. In the past, we've had recalls, we've owned it. Whether we agreed or disagreed, we've always learned something and we're proud of it. This is different.
And this is not the first time the FDA and this raw farm company have gotten into it. Back in 2024, there was another E. coli outbreak that had been linked to the same company's cheese. At the time, Raw Farm did agree to issue a recall. This was in February of 2024. But then about a week later, the FDA says the farm withdrew that recall. Now, in the case that is happening now with this possible E. coli breakout, the FDA does have the option to issue its own recall. But that usually doesn't happen. About 96% of the recalls that are issued by the FDA do come with collaboration of the companies that make whatever's being recalled. So yes, the FDA, if they decide that they want to recall this, they can do that. But the company says they have tested it and found no traces of E. coli in their products.